everybody can recognize pitch. Ta-da-ra. If I sing like this, you also can do that, right? In the same pitch. So what does that mean? Pitch recognition is in everybody. It's pitch memory that is what needs to be built, right? And we can do that by providing sufficient good data to your brain. How do we actually achieve that speed? You know what is the secret? Speed is not an independent entity. When there is clarity, speed is obvious, natural, and eventual, right? Laya is intrinsic and hence not tangible. So what does that mean? It is like a sweetness in a sugar. We can show the sugar, but we cannot show the sweetness of it, right? So only if the sugar touches your tongue, then you'll know what is sweetness, right? See, if I took X amount of years to accomplish anything, and then if you as my student also takes that amount of years or more, then what am I doing? So that is my approach to teaching. My methodologies are optimizing the learning journey for the student. I like to share the privilege of being in touch with Carnatic music. And the best news is that if someone like me, who with no musical family background could do it, then so can you. This course is for absolute beginners, and you took a break for something and now you would like to get back to it. This is the right course for you, because this will cover everything from scratch till the Geetes.